One of the things that you want to do in the beginning is just change how you're wording these questions and then change the order of it, okay? So you're getting a referral from a banker, yes?
Correct.
Let's say the banker's name is Todd. Fair enough?
That's my middle name, but we'll roll with it.
Perfect. It's your brother. It's your twin brother, Todd. Okay? So, hey, and you're talking to Robert. Hey, Robert, Todd had let me know that you had some needs, and I wanted to reach out to you personally. Could you give me a call on my mobile 720-660-3202? So first thing, because you're going to get their voicemail a lot when you reach out to them. I wanted to reach out to you personally. If you'd like, you could even throw in a my people. Okay? My people elevates your status. I wanted to reach out to you. Todd had let me know that you guys let our team know that you were looking for some help with your retirement planning. I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. I'm on my mobile 720-660-3202. Do you see how now you're elevating your status? Now they're going to call you back, okay? Immediately. No pleasantries. No, did you see the game? No, is it hot enough for you, cold enough for you, wet enough for you, dry enough for you? I don't care about the weather. I don't care about politics. And I don't care who broke their Achilles in the football game. Okay, immediately. Awesome. Yeah, oh, thank you so much for calling me. Absolutely. My pleasure. What can I get you information on? So first question you want to ask is, what can I get you information on? Okay, why are you asking that? Because that's going to lead them into, well, you know, when we were talking with Todd, you know, he's our banker, and I really don't think we have enough saved up for retirement. You don't have enough saved up for retirement? Yeah, we only have about 750 in the bank right now. Now you can go through your Easton University mirroring 750 in the bank, or some more gathering actionable information, but immediately once you start to get a little bit of information, you're going to now once again raise your level of status, raise your level of authority. Totally get it, makes sense. What research have you done on us? Or totally get it, makes sense. What research have you done on me? Okay? So no lose answer. Simply by asking them the question, you're inferring what? You're inferring that you're the expert, right? And by the way, this works for all of us. Works for you, Robert, in real estate. What research have you done on me? Or what research have you done on us? Okay? Now you're the expert. Well, you know, I did talk to Todd, and he said you guys are the best, right? In terms of your financial planning, right? What's kind of that, and grab a sword and shield, write this down. What's that big financial milestone that you're trying to achieve for retirement? Okay? Now notice there's a big difference here. Big difference between where do we need to go, what do we need to do, how much money do you need, right? I need a lot, right? Or I need more, or I don't know. What's that big financial milestone that you guys are trying to achieve? And then just leave it there. Or what's the next financial milestone that you'd like to achieve in your life to make you more comfortable for retirement, right? I don't know. If you were, now I'm role playing the whole thing with you, D-Money, okay? Well, I don't know, just more. If you were to take a guess, what would it be? Well, I would think we'd need at least $1.5 million. Why is that? How did you arrive at the $1.5 million number? Right now, now you're in a much more constructive conversation. But you're going to find if you say, what's the next financial milestone that you need to achieve? A lot of these people that were wishy-washy for you before will give you an exact number. I need $300,000 a year coming into me to live the life that I want to live and to put my 2 grandkids, my grandbabies, through college, right? Now, on your sword and shield, you're going to write down the word mission. M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Did I spell it right? I think so. Okay, so I want to make sure that I'm clear. Our mission is to get you to $300K in annual income. Yup, that's it. If nothing changed, where are you at right now? Right? Well, we're at 74 total, right? So that's like not a lot. That's less than $8,000 a year in annual income. Okay, so we've got a little bit of a challenge. We got a little bit of a delta that we need to overcome. Don't worry, came to the right place. This is the kind of stuff that I do, that my people does, that my team does all the time? Does it make sense for blank, right? Does it make sense for blank? Now you're going to have to fill in what your blank is. Maybe your blank is to do a full overarching financial assessment. Does it make sense for us to do an official assessment? And then that way I can put together a perspective for you and we can let you know exactly how much you need to start withdrawing from your current income to get you towards that target of $300K annually. Does it make sense? I've got a product I can put you in right now. Does it make sense to sign the agreement? But notice what I did. Now I have my mission. What's my mission? They need $300,000 in annual income. Okay. By the way, here's the crystal clear thing I need you to realize, D. This 300K needs to be their number. I'm going to repeat that because this is vital for you to understand. This 300K needs to be their number. I'm going to say it a third time. Needs to be their number. You can help them arrive at the number, but it needs to be their number. Because if you say, oh, I help people all the time do $200,000 and da-da, they don't care. They're not listening to you, right? What's the next financial milestone that you need to hit? I don't know. If you were to take a guess, what would it be? Call it $20,000 a month. Okay, fair enough. So we're at $240,000 a year. Would you say that's fair to say is our mission? Like ideally, if we got everything in the right place, we're going to have you at $240,000 a year coming in so that you can live the life you want to live for retirement. Yeah, that would be fantastic. Mission. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to put this in your file. Our mission to work together is to get you to $240K. Cool. Now when you follow up, D, what can you say? Let's say the next step, let's say you can't sign a contract, right? Let's say you have to do a full financial assessment. Listen to how much more powerful that voicemail is. Hey, Robert, it's Devin with DNC Consulting. Calling to see if it makes sense to schedule that full financial assessment so we can put you on that path to $240,000 in annual income coming in for retirement. I'm on my mobile 720-660-3202. Figure out what the caboose is, put the locomotive on the front of it of does it make sense? This is going to change your life, okay? So I want you, and I can get you a copy, it's going to be in the portal of this training, but rewatch this and get in the habit of early and often. What can I get you information on? What research have you done on us? Right? What was your biggest reason for wanting to talk to a financial planner? Well, I need this and this. Got it. What's that big financial milestone that you're trying to achieve?